Hello, kids. Hi, how are you today? I hope you're doing good at home. And in this video, we're going to speak a little bit about pronunciation loud. And you need to go in your English book on page 176. Page 176. So, pronunciation loud. So, what are we going to do in this page? We're going to listen and repeat. Please listen and repeat. Okay, so let's listen and repeat.
Listen and repeat. Come. Come to my house. Come. Wet. Oh, you are wet. Wet. Make. I need to make a phone call. Make. Rainy. What can you do on a rainy day? Rainy. Telephone. The telephone is on the table. Toys. Bring some.
Okay, so what are you going to do in this page, on page 170? Okay, so I'm going to help you with this one. The first one, it is make. So the boy is making, see right here? Make. I need to make a phone call. So the boy is making a phone call. So that's all you need to do in this page. And also you need to go on page 181. 181. Remember, you need to go on page 181. 181. Okay, 181. And what are you gonna do in this page? So this one, it is right here. So page 181. So what are you gonna do? You see these words? It is the same that we saw on page 176. So it is toys, make, wet, rainy, telephone, and come. So what are you gonna do? Find and circle the words from the word bank. So these words right here, you need to find in these letters, okay? And also you need to go on page 193. What are you gonna do on page 193? Page 193. Page 193. Okay, page 193. Okay, so which one it is? Page 193. Okay, I'm sorry. Page 193. I'm sorry, my internet is not very good. But page 193. So it is right here. Page 193. Okay, so what are you going to do? Also, we are working on pronunciation lab. It says cookies, telephone, catch, make, milk, break, and ice cream. So let's see the example. It says listen and repeat. Repeat, please. Cookies. Let's make some cookies. Telephone. Bring me the telephone. Bring me the telephone. Catch. It is fun to catch raindrops. Make. We want to make cookies. We want to make cookies. Milk. I like cookies with milk. Bake. We need to bake the cookies. We need to bake the cookies. Ice cream. I like cookies and ice cream. Okay, so what are you going to do in this page? Okay, so listen. What are you going to do? It says circle the words with the correct spelling. So which one? You think it is cookies or cookies? So circle the correct one. Okay? And milk, or it is this one? What do you think? You can see this list of words. Ice cream. You think it is ice cream? or this one? Find out the correct circle one. Catch or catch. What do you think? Bake or bake? What do you think? Circle the correct one. So I'm going to help you with this one. Cookies, it is this one, the correct cookies, cookies. Okay? And also you need to go on page 197, 197, 197. Okay, 197. What are you going to do on page 197? Okay, it is right here. Yes, 197. So what are you going to do in here? It says, see, the word, it is the same that we saw on page 193. So it says, write the word from the word bank that fits in the shape. So you need to find it fits in this page. Okay, so you need to find out these words, put it right here. So which one? And you need to spell it. And that's all you need to do, kids. And thanks a lot. When you finish those pages, like I told you, and then send it back to me because I need to see it. That is your homework. Thanks a lot, babies, and see you in the next video. And thank you. Goodbye.